Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect hard meringue. We will cover everything from selecting your ingredients to proper storage. The foundation of any great meringue starts with fresh egg whites, which provide the essential structure. Granulated sugar adds sweetness and contributes to that desirable crispness. A small amount of cream of tartar helps stabilize the egg whites, ensuring they whip up beautifully. Remember, clean, grease-free equipment is absolutely crucial for success. Now let's get those egg whites whipped. Start on a low speed until they become foamy, then gradually increase the speed. This slow start helps create a stable foam. Once the whites are opaque, begin adding your granulated sugar very slowly, about 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time. Continue whipping until the meringue forms stiff, glossy peaks that stand up on their own. It should look smooth and shiny, indicating the sugar has fully dissolved. Once your meringue is perfectly whipped, it's time to pipe it on a parchment-lined baking sheets. You can create various shapes and sizes. The key to a hard meringue is a very low and slow bake. Set your oven to around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Baking typically takes 1 to 2 hours, depending on the size of your meringues. They are done when they feel light, crisp, and easily lift from the parchment paper, indicating all the moisture has evaporated. The cooling process is just as important as baking. Once baked, turn off your oven and leave the meringues inside to cool completely. This slow cooling prevents them from cracking and ensures they remain wonderfully crisp. Once fully cooled, transfer your meringues to an airtight container. Stored correctly, they can maintain their crisp texture for up to 2 weeks at room temperature. Remember, humidity is their enemy, so keep them sealed away from moisture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.